The three little pigs always do your best to succeed. You will not succeed. And the three little pigs went to go build their houses. The first little pig thought, I'm going to build my house out of hay. The second little pig decided he was going to build his house out of sticks from a tree. The third little pig decided to build his house out of bricks. But he had a hard time figuring out how he was going to get them to stick together, and decided that it would be best to use mud. After several days and several nights, the house was finally dry, and all the houses were done. One day, when all the pigs are at their houses, a mean old wolf came and decided that he was very hungry and decided he wanted pig meat. So he went to the first house built out of hay and ran over and peeked inside and saw the first little pig. The first little pig turned and saw the wolf and started screaming, "Ah, wolf, wolf!" And the wolf said, "Let me in." And the little pig said, "No, no, not by the hair on my chinny chin chin." And the wolf blew down the house. And the wolf blew down the house and ate the little pig and decided he was still hungry, so he went to the next house made out of sticks. The second little pig saw the wolf and started screaming and told the little pig to come outside. The little pig said no, and the wolf said fine and blew down his house. It was easy. Slowly, one by one, the sticks came apart and the house collapsed, and he ate the little pig again. Lastly, he went to the brick house for the third little pig. The third little pig went to the door and opened it and saw the wolf and shut the door in his face. The wolf came up through somewhere and said, "Come outside," and the little pig said, "No!" And the wolf huffed and puffed and tried to blow the house down, but the house didn't move. All of a sudden, the wolf had an idea that he would climb the house, but the pig heard the stomping on the roof and decided to escape and started building a fire in the fireplace to start building a fire. When the wolf came down the chimney, he landed on the fire and the wolf died. The little pig looked back and remembered his mother always telling him, "If you do not try your best, you will not succeed. If you try your best, you will succeed." Oh my God.